Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this 70Mai Dashcam Pro Plus real cam set. So it's a 2.7K Ultra HD video enabled by apps. It also has dual channel recording and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. And nothing on the side here. So as mentioned on the front box just now, the same thing. And you can see the model is A500S1. The resolution is 2592 x 1944. And the lens is FOV 140 degree angle f1.8. So without further ado, let's open this box. Black box with some golden accent. Nothing here. And what is this? So what do we have here? This is a double side sticker. Another double side sticker. Then this is I think this is the electrostatic stick tab. Two of them. And another one, smaller one. It has two of them. Some annex here. Some user manual here, and the real camera user manual here. Back to the box here, we see the real cam here. This is the real cam, and it has the double-sided tag installed. You can actually turn it a bit, this side, 90 degree only, and this comes with the wire itself. Next is the dash cam itself. So this is the 2-inch display here. It has 4 buttons here, 4 buttons here, and another button here to turn it on and off. And this camera, you can actually rotate it 90 degree also. And as you can see, this is the micro SD card slot. This is the one that you put in your real camera, I believe. And this is the power cable, and it still uses micro USB. So as you can see, I think we can see it up now. No touch screen. Set the date. Set the time. So it has 24-hour format.
Insert SD card.
So yeah, and this is where you hook the dashcam onto the car mirror. So let's set that aside. Now let's go back here. So this is the cable. They're all very long. This is the power cable for the dash cam. This is the charger. You must connect yours to the red one. And finally, we have the spatula for you to tuck in your cables into the car roof. And the plastic that you attach your dash cam onto. That's it. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find this useful. And I'll test this dash cam out. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.